In the previous slide, we reviewed the definition of trauma. Trauma can also result in individuals experiencing different symptoms. You can see from this visual that the symptoms are varied, including depression, loss of interest, inability to sleep well, being overwhelmed emotionally, hopelessness, flashbacks, little or no memories, mistrust, panic attacks, headaches, self-destructive behavior, and an overall loss of sense of who I am. The symptoms of trauma experienced by individuals are very real to them. It's important as educators to pay attention to how symptoms of trauma can result in students being unable to concentrate and focus during class and during the school day.